Hello everyone. Today we will use TOPSIS to rank cars based on various features. Okay, let me import the car marks dataset. You might have used that data in perhaps your multivariate practical. Car marks, yes. So you have various variables: economy, service, value, price, design, sportiness, safety, easy handling, and so on. Okay, so and here these grades are, the scores are actually average of ranks. So here 1 means best and 5 means worst. Okay, so as you can see, BMW has near one value in terms of service, but for price it is worst because it's too expensive, right? Same with Ferrari. Not 5, I guess the range is higher than 5, but higher value means bad here and lower value means good. Okay, for all the variables. So let me name that data as CM, and I have headings yes. So this is how the data will look like. Let us import. Okay, so this is my data, and we are going to use the library TOPSIS because that has the TOPSIS command. Let me define P as, so the first column I want as row names, right? Because they are names of the cars. So CM1 be the data without the first column, and then row names of CM1 be the first column of CM. So now let me view CM1. Okay, this is the data. Okay. Now here all the variables have same range, so I don't really need scaling. Otherwise you will do scaling. Okay, so in this particular data I'm not going to do scaling because all the variables have same range. And as of now, let us give equal weights to all the variables. So weight vector I am constructing as vector of ones. Then IND, so in IND actually we want to give direction. So here, as the rankings are already in the same direction, so for everything minimum is better. Okay, and higher is worse. So I will construct a vector repeat with minus sign. When I want to say minimum is better, I write minus. If you have somewhere maximum is better, then corresponding to those columns you write plus plus, and corresponding to other columns you write minus minus. Okay, and now to this data, so because I am not going to standardize, I'll apply it to the original data itself. So view, so I will apply to CM1 TOPSIS with weights same for everything and impacts same for everything. So this is direction. Okay, so this CM1 needs to be a matrix or a data frame. What is the current class? Let me check. Class of CM1 is data frame. Okay. Okay, so sometimes it doesn't accept data frame, so I'm converting it to matrix, and let us run this. And we want the car names also to be displayed, so I will give row names of T as row names of CM1. Let us see T. Okay, so these are the ranks. So Volkswagen Golf has received first rank with highest score, Opel Vectra has received second rank, and so on. Okay, and which is the worst ranked car? As of now, these are two cars, Trabant, Wartburg. These are worst ranked cars. Right now, we had given equal importance to all the parameters. Let us try to change that. Okay. So suppose I don't, I mean, I want a car which has which has good value and which is having good design and good safety features and service. Okay. So let me increase weight of these four. So column number 2, 3, 5 and 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. Suppose I increase their weights to twice. So I will have at 2, 3, 5, 7, correct? So WT at 2357, I'll make it 2. Okay, and now let us see what happens. Let me call it T2. So T2 is a TOPSIS with new weights, and let us try to view T2 now. So who got rank 1? Now Mercedes got rank 1. BMW got rank 2. Okay, Volkswagen Golf went to rank 6 because it might be better than Mercedes BMW in terms of these value, etc. Sorry, in terms of price. But now because we are not worried that much about the price and other parameters, the ranking has changed. Okay, and then on the basis of this ranking you can again perhaps categorize cars as highly ranked and so on. So once you have this output, there are nice ways of visualizing this output. Okay, and you can show how maybe a particular car is an outlier in terms of its score, either in the good sense or a bad sense. So this score can further be used for various analysis. Okay, let me stop here. Thank you.